Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a Mazda CX-7 and you're trying to find guys the relay for your horn, let's say the horn doesn't work, you have a fuse and you have a relay guys that you need to check, we'll show you in today's video where it's located. Now we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to leave any recommendations. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you where you can find that relay. So let me show you now how the horn doesn't work on this Mazda and we'll show you where the relay is guys. Okay, I'm going to turn the ignition on. Nothing. So let's go ahead and show you guys where to find the relay for your horn. So if you guys open the hood of your Mazda, okay, right here on the passenger side you have one little kind of like a fuse box. You press that thing in, pull up and you have two relays. Okay, the relay towards the end, okay, this is your horn relay right here. So you grab it, okay, you twist it, eventually it comes out. Okay, I might have to grab it with two hands to pull it. Okay, I totally dropped it right here. So this relay guys, okay, we're going to get a new one and replace it. If you need to buy one, you can find it in the description of the video below. We'll have where we buy our relays from, so you can get one yourself. So check it out. I'll go ahead, grab a new one and we'll replace it. So this is now the new relay. I'm going to go ahead, install it here. Push it all the way in, make sure you put your cover on. Perfect. And now I'll go inside and see if that will take care of our problem. Hopefully it does. Yep, definitely guys, good working horn now. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.